Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. This is going to be around the house. Well, I just finished up mowing the yard completely. Now I'm going to have to start back around again. Well, unfortunately, my drive belt just broke. That's not fun. Drive belt connects to that right there. I don't know if we can get. Let's see. Now you can see the pulley right there is behind that. Your selector level is right there. Goes across the top and comes back up to your top of the drive motor. Back around over there. Unfortunately, it is a job. I have to drop the mower to do that. What is? Yeah. Unfortunately, it goes up underneath there, goes through a couple little pulley areas. So, unfortunately, I am out of the game for a couple of days. Not good. Not gonna be working on it this weekend either. So I gotta get it up to the garage, and I gotta get the mower deck back off of it. I spent another $22 on a new belt. Not a good situation.